Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming rope length and handle function because the rest depends on this. Stand on the midpoint, make quick adjustments so handles reach your armpits. Once done, open handles or check caps for loose screws and bearings, replace or tighten as needed. Make sure grips aren't slipping, wrap tape if they are. If material is frayed or kinked, swap the cable or re-knot leather. These first moves save time. They fix the causes of most jump issues immediately. Now you refine rotation and body mechanics to stop tangles and miscounts. Start small, test a few single jumps and watch handle return, tighten or loosen swivel tension until rotation feels consistent. Once you have smooth rotation, lock in wrist motion, use wrists not arms, keeping elbows at your sides and shoulders relaxed. Make sure you clear the rope by about 6 to 8 inches at front and back so your feet don't clip it. Practice 10 controlled reps to build reliable timing. Finish by making precise adjustments and testing under real conditions so problems stay solved. If needed, shorten the rope in half-inch steps, then ready or crimp securely. Test again for consistent passes. If you still feel wobble or see fraying, swap the cable or bearings. These parts wear out. Once hardware is sound, calibrate your tempo. Slow to 60 to 80% to retrain timing, then ramp up. If a problem recurs, reset length and check swivel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.